Hello 2D. Today we will learn about Python operators. So what are Python operators? Python operators are set of symbols, and these are like plus, minus, multiplication, division and percent sign. Percent sign is used in remainders. So that are used to make expressions to perform various operations in the computer. So Python operators are a set of symbols that are used to make expressions to perform various operations in the computer. Then what are expressions then? Expressions are combination of symbols, literals, variables that are used in statements. To evaluate something. Here to evaluate something, the evaluation part is an expression in the statements. You can see here an example, s equal to a plus b. This is your statement. Now in the statement operators are being used. Equal to and assignment operator is equal to, and this is a plus operator, and this complete is your statement. And what is your expression? Here you are using expression a plus b, which is being used for the purpose of evaluation. So like this you can you can use your expressions for making statements. Now then, what are the type of Python operators? So let us go ahead to that. We have got, these are the Python operators. We have got in Python arithmetical operators, comparison operators, assignment operators. Please you can see the symbols as well, and logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators and identity operators. Then one by one, if you go through, arithmetical operators will be used to perform various kind of arithmetical operations. These are used to perform various arithmetical operations. These you can see, as here I have taken one variable a, another has been taken as b, and the calculation is being done a plus b, and here what we are getting, this is sum of two numbers. Similarly here you can look out for another one, and that is, here we are trying to find out whether a given year is a leap year. If if a given year is a leap year, then what it should be, that year must be divisible by 4 and should return 0 after having, remainder should be 0. If it is, then that will become a leap year. Otherwise it will not be a leap year. Then after that, comparison operators we have. In the comparison operators, you can see we have taken two variables, x equal to 10 and y equal to 12. We are comparing these two variables, x and y. If x is really greater than y, then we are getting x is greater, else y will become greater. Like this we can use comparison operators. And then assignment operators can be used in as a composite, as a compound one, and can be used as a separate one. Here assignment operators, a equal to b. What is this? This is assignment operator. So assignment operator has been used to assign value 4 to a. Similarly value 5 to b. Then in the compound statements we can use a equal to 10 has been given, s equal to 20 has been given, and now what you can do, you can write s equal to s plus a, like this. But here what I am doing, s equal to plus equal to a. So this we call compound. As you can see here. Similarly you can use for minus, multiplication and other. Now see another example for the same one. Here when I have given x equal to 5, then x plus x multiplication equal to 3. What does that mean? That means x to the power 3. That means 5 if is the value, then 5 to the power 3 will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That will be printing 125. But if I use a single star, then what will happen? X equal to x multiplied by 3. That means it will be whatever value of x is there, in this case 5, 5 multiplied by 3 will become 15. So your answer is this. Now the logical operator comes out. These are very important one. Here logical operators are used to compare your expressions. Compare your expressions, and as you are using 3 logical operators and or not, so these 3 operators will behave little differently. In case of AND operator, both the expression, see in this case, marks greater than or equal to 33 and marks less than 45. This means both must be true. When both will be true, then only your expression will be, the whole expression will be written as a true, and you will be able to provide it grade as D. And if it is any of the condition false, then it will be OR operator, because either or any one of the given expressions is true, then that will even move into grade D. Even it will be moving to grade D. If you are using OR, any of these condition is false. Sorry, any of these condition is true, then it will move. Any of. In case of AND, both. In case of OR, it will be anyone, either or. And in case of not, you will always be negative. Negative. You will have to think negative. Like if I am giving here marks greater than or equal to 75, or I can give marks here less than 75. In case of not equal to, if I use, then not equal to greater than 75, that means below 75 will be accepted. Like this, the OR operator can be done. So for this, we can we can have till here play, and then we can go in the next class, please. So thank you very much.